Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records. Alright, let's begin. First of all, activating Gmail as part of Google Workspace through the Squarespace DNS records offers several advantages. For example, Google Workspace provides professional email addresses with your domain. This creates a more credible and trustworthy impression for your business compared to using generic email services. To activate Gmail in Google Workspace through Squarespace DNS records, start by navigating to the left side panel of your admin account. Click on Billing, then click on Account Settings and go to Domains. From there, click on Manage Domains. If your Gmail is not yet verified, since it's already activated in my case, you will see an option for Setup Redirect. Click on this and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, go to your Squarespace account and access the account dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings option, then go to Domains, click on Get a Domain. Or alternatively, click on Settings in the lower left corner, select Domains and Emails, and then choose Domains. Now click on the domain you want to configure, and then select the DNS option. In the DNS section, click on Edit, proceed to the Custom Records section, where you need to create the 5 records necessary to activate Gmail for Google Workspace on Squarespace DNS records. Just make sure to follow the specific instructions provided for each record. Once you have completed these steps, your Gmail will be activated. So that's basically how you can activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.